Today's video is Jonathan, Jessica, and Mario discover the crime lab and save the pirate ship. And it was inspired by Jonathan and Jessica. Hey guys, I noticed that there is a crime lab.
Well, let's go.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Yeah, let's go. When they got to the crime lab. So this is the crime lab.
We need to go to the crime lab to see what that monster has been up to.
I will check the news. Oh no! It says that monster is taking over the pirate ship. Oh my god! That monster is gonna get it when we get to the pirate ship and defeat him. I agree with you, Mario. Let's go. Yeah, let's go now. Meanwhile,
I am gonna rule this boat. Oh, well, if it isn't Jonathan, Jessica, and Mario.
Why are you doing that? Why are you invading the pirate ship?
Because Jonathan, this is my ship. Ha 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 ha.
No, this is not your ship. This is the pirate's ship. Don't make me slap you in the knots. So get out of the ship right now, otherwise we'll fight you.
Never.
That's it. Let's get him, guys.
Ha! Bring it on.
Really? Weak push. Me and my friends are invincible. Let me show you a strong push. Take this.
If you mess with us one more time, we're going to slap you in the knots.
Muhahahahahahahaha. Bring it on.
Ha! Silly push. We're invincible. Let me show you a big push. Ugh. Seriously with that? You gay, little jerk.
You'll pay for this, you stupid monster.
Bring it. I am about to kick you guys up in the sky.
Ha! Weak push. Jonathan told you that we're invincible. Let me show you a powerful push.
Ow. Oh no! It's the police.
Monster, you're under arrest for taking over the pirate ship. Come with me now.
Wow 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 wow.
Monster gets sentenced to jail.
This is your cell. You will stay for 2 days. So goodbye forever.
Meanwhile with Jonathan, Jessica, and Mario. Yes! We defeated that monster.
Yeah. We did it.
Yeah, we have to get home. When we get home, we are going to the Plotagon City Conference. Yeah! Thanks for coming to Plotagon City Conference.
Jonathan, Jessica, where were you guys?
We met a new person that joined our Plotagon video making team, and me and Jessica were exploring new areas, and we went to Walmart to buy food, drinks, clothes, and video games. But we saw that monster.
What did that monster do this time?
He was taking over the pirate ship. But don't worry, the police officer arrested the monster and put him in jail.
I'm very tired of that monster. That is the last straw.
Angelica, relax. We defeated that monster. Yeah! Relax. We already defeated that monster and put him in jail.
Good. Because if it comes back then I will be ticked off.
Angelica is right. If that monster comes back then she will be ticked off. We need to summon the Wiggles. Yeah, we will summon the Wiggles someday. Anyway, that's all for our Plotagon City Conference. Stay tuned for more Plotagon City Conference meetings coming anytime.
Yeah.
When Jonathan, Jessica, and Mario got home. Well, that monster learned his lesson. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.